Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel again. We are just about to leave the town of Clanwilliam and we're making our way towards the Pakhuis Pass. We're on our way to Enjo Nature Farm. The views from the Pakhuis Pass is just absolutely beautiful. Along the way we stopped at the grave of C. Louis Leipold, famous Afrikaans writer, and also the Englishman's grave. Then we turned right in the direction of Biedouw and we crossed Cederberg. Enjo is 300 kilometers from Cape Town and 64 kilometers from Clanwilliam. The gravel road starts at Cederberg and it's a very good gravel road up to the farm. Couple of gates to open and then we arrived at the campsite. We camped at campsite number 1. There is a huge big tree and we had shade all day long. There are 4 campsites and they are all next to the Biedouw river. The Biedouw river is a dry river, but it does flow the last couple of months of the winter. Campsite number 2 has a couple of trees on it, so there's also shade for the best part of the day, and this is probably more suitable for ground tents. This is campsite number 3, also very shady, and it also has a braai on the river's edge. We really like campsite number 1. It's big, spacious, and had shade all day long. Each campsite has a braai area and we prepared ourselves a lovely breakfast on the fire. A nice touch was the braai grid and tripod that was available. There's a tap with drinking water and a 3-point electricity plug at every campsite. You can do your dishes at the open air sink and brush your teeth at the open air basin next to the ablutions. The ablutions has a view to die for. There are 1 shower and 1 toilet. The shower is nice and big with lovely hot water. There's a nifty little space to put your soap and ample place to hang your clothes. Next to the shower is a flush toilet and toilet paper is provided. The ablutions was cleaned on a daily basis. At the reception area is an honesty shop and there is some basic needs and cool drinks. You can also learn more about the Clanwilliam sandfish, the most threatened migratory freshwater fish in South Africa. Firewood is for sale at the honesty shop. In the heat of summer, you can cool off in this dam and your dog is allowed to join you. This pool is for humans only. There's also a nice picnic spot next to the pool. Sava and I spent some time in the labyrinth. There are some hiking trails available, and it can take you anything from 40 minutes to 3.5 hours depending on which one you do. This is a pet-friendly campsite, and Sava loved to play with her ball when we arrived back at camp. She was also treated with a kebab. Seeing that it was more than 40 degrees, we preferred to have a rock shanty. We enjoyed watching the wildlife and even saw a reindeer. We started to prepare for the evening supper and enjoyed the views of the sunset. We always enjoy sitting next to a campfire, though it was quite hot and Sava preferred to do it from a distance. The next morning we enjoyed the beautiful sunrise when we had our morning coffee and just enjoyed the views of the mountains surrounding Enjo. All too soon it was time to leave. We can't wait to come back in the flower season. This is a great campsite and definitely a place for nature lovers. Thank you for watching the video. Please hit like and subscribe to our channel. Happy camping!